Yan si Nikola Jokic. And ito yung kanyang budget signature shoes na Team Joker from 361. All-time MVP last year and then this season, and they are a defending champion for this season from 2025. Ito nga yung pangbalagbaga na sapatos ni Nikola Jokic. Budget shoes na very premium yung kanyang design. Pagdating sa kanyang uppers, combination ng synthetic leather and then ng breathable mesh and then knitted mesh. So guys, alam mong very breathable at malambot to. Yes, very comfortable pag sinuot mo to. Pagdating sa kanyang outsole, durable rubber material. Maganda yung traction nito because of its pattern. Kasi masabi kong lahat ng mga makakapit na sapatos merong circle pattern sa outsole. Another detail sa kanyang likuran which is logo ni Jokic, TPU material sa lateral side for torsion support. Ito nga yung sapatos ni Nikola Jokic, Team Joker. Check mo na lang dyan sa Yellow Basket.